Last class we have discussed about the different types of rocks. Now we will continue with the new topic, that is rock cycle and minerals. Okay. Now children, you know how are rocks formed? Okay. Let us study how are rocks formed. Okay. There is a cycle behind it. So let us see how are rocks formed in a cycle. And a rock cycle is the process of transformation of rocks from one form to another. Okay. What do you mean by a rock cycle? It is the process of transformation of rock from one form to another form. That is called the rock cycle, and it is in a cyclic manner. Okay, it will change in a cyclic manner. This is called rock cycle, and you can see the picture here. Rock cycle. Take the igneous rocks. Children, igneous rocks are called the primary rocks. They are called the primary rocks, because igneous rocks are the basis for all other rocks, the other two forms of rocks. Okay, and igneous rocks, you know how our igneous rocks are formed. So how are igneous rocks formed? From the magma. When the magma cools down, it becomes crystal or in the form of solid, and thus the igneous rocks are formed. Okay, then again these igneous rocks are broken into sediments due to weathering and erosion. Okay, it becomes sediments. You have studied how are sedimentary rocks formed, and these sediments, they compressed and hardened to form sedimentary rocks. These are sedimentary rocks. Okay, from igneous rocks we get the sedimentary rocks. Okay, sedimentary rocks are formed from the igneous rock. Now again, the sedimentary rocks under heat and pressure, it can change the form into metamorphic rocks. Okay, the sedimentary rocks change its form into metamorphic rocks under great heat and pressure. The same thing is happening to igneous rocks. If they are subjected to heat and pressure, igneous rocks also changes its forms to metamorphic rocks. Okay, so the igneous rocks becomes sedimentary rocks as well as metamorphic rocks. Okay, and the metamorphic rocks then melt and becomes magma. All these three types of rocks, they melt and becomes magma. Okay, it is the liquid form of rocks. Magma is inside the earth. It is the liquid form of rocks. Okay, and this melting igneous rocks becomes magma. And metamorphic rocks again, due to weathering and erosion, they will become sediments, metamorphic rocks, and they again, these metamorphic rocks can become sedimentary rocks. So this is like a chain. Okay, children, you can see the chain over there, all are connected. See, this is the primary rock, because this is the basis for the other two forms of rocks. They are the sedimentary rocks and the metamorphic rock. Okay, so now is that clear to you, children? This rock cycle is clear to you? Okay. So what is the definition of rock cycle? The process of transformation of rock from one form to another form in a cyclic manner. That is called the rock cycle. Okay. Now children, you know rocks are rich in minerals. Rocks are the storehouse of minerals, and there are many types of minerals in rocks. So they are minerals. What are minerals, children? They are naturally occurring substance. They are naturally occurring substance which is kept inside the rock, okay, which is there inside the earth. A naturally occurring substance which have certain physical properties and definite chemical properties, okay. This has this naturally occurring substance which has certain physical properties as well as chemical properties are called what? Minerals, okay. And what do you mean by physical properties? The mineral has size, structure, color. You can see structure, color, smell, etc. Okay, these are called the physical properties of minerals. Then the chemical compounds. Chemical properties, like they react to the presence of air and water. Okay, this mineral changes or react in the presence of air, water, etc. Okay, these are the chemical and physical properties of minerals. Now, minerals are the basic and essential thing that we use in our daily life, right children? Yes. So, these are the basic raw materials we use in our daily life, and you know children, we use in our daily life like for example food, agriculture, we use these minerals, okay. Now, we will see to some examples of minerals, okay. See the uses of minerals. We can see minerals are used as fuels. Which are the minerals that used as which are the minerals that used as fuels? Natural gas, then coal and petroleum. These are the three natural fuels. We get it from the nature as minerals, okay. These are very important natural minerals, very valuable, okay. And these are non-renewable fuels are non-renewable resources. Then next, iron, copper, aluminium, gold. You know there are many, okay. Iron, copper, aluminium, gold, uranium, potassium, nitrogen. They are all minerals. They are used for different purposes, okay. Like iron, copper, aluminium. They are used in construction, then used in industries, then for making ornaments, then generating energy. Then it is also used for, see, potassium, nitrogen, they are used in fertilizers and making medicines, okay. So there are different uses of the minerals. Minerals are very important. The cars that we drive and the roads that we build, the houses we live, everything we use what? Minerals, okay children. And the agriculture, then very important, minerals are very important in our daily life, okay. Now again minerals are used to make your cell phones, the technology, it is used in technology, okay. So minerals are very important in the daily life of human being, okay children. With that, this chapter is over. Now you want to read page number, the rock cycle is there in page number 9, and the minerals are there in page number 10. Okay children, then let me tell you one more thing. You have to learn the diagram of interior of the earth, okay. Interior of the earth, you want to learn to draw the diagram. Then the rock cycle, okay, rock cycle which is given in page number, the diagram also you must learn to draw, okay. Now the textbook exercise, question number 1, answer the following questions. That you just try to do that answers, very short question answers, okay. Find out the answers. Then some question answers I will be giving you. Now tick the correct answer, okay. Tick the correct answer. The rock which is made up of molten magma, okay, igneous rocks we have already discussed. Then innermost layer of the earth, core. Okay, so you have to do this, tick the correct answer and match the following. Okay, then we will discuss in the Google Meet. Okay children, with that this chapter is over. Thank you.